All right, guys, this is the second method of access CapCut Pro without paying for anything, without paying anything. All right, so I've already posted the first method, which requires you to access it through my Telegram channel, where I've already posted the CapCut Pro files. All right, so if not watched the first method, make sure you watch the first method so that you can actually learn how to make use of CapCut Pro. No need of paying to get access to it. Okay, it's not free of charge. Okay, so this is the second method. Now, before you start this second method is all about not signing in. Okay, you're not going to sign in this second method, whereby in the first method requires you to sign in before you access the pro account. So now, first and foremost, you need to make sure that you've already deleted your old CapCut. Okay, any CapCut you have, you make sure that if you've already uninstalled it, that you've already deleted it. Okay, so next thing we need to do now is to come over to your Play Store. You need to do some tricky things here, tricky settings. That is very, very important. Then come over to your Play Store, click on your Play Store. All right, so once you open, then come over to your profile icon at the top here, your profile icon. Then you click on it. All right, now locate this place. I hope you can see this place here, this one that says play protect. Okay, then click on that play protect, then still come over to this setting icon at the top. You click on that setting icon at the top. Hope you can see this thing that say scan apps with play protect and improve harmful app detection. Don't click it. Okay, they are not going to detect anything. We don't want it to detect anything. So all you need to do is just close it, turn it off, close it. So we're actually going to turn this off. Okay, so we've turned them off for our pro account to work perfectly for us. So once you are done, you are now good to go. So all you need to do is to open your Chrome browser. Once you open it, then go to your search bar, then you search for modder.me, okay, then click on send. So this is how the site looks like. So you go up, scroll up, then take it easy, don't be fast. Then look at this place that says CapCut. Hope you can see this place that says CapCut unlock. Then click on it. Then if you open, then come over to your download, click on your download, then come over here, CapCut, then also click on it. Okay, then you still come over to this place and click on download. So once you click on download, it's automatically downloading. Okay, it will start to download. So let's just wait for it. Right, so now that it's done downloading, so you now need to click on it and install. Now they'll ask you, do you want to install this app? Click on install. So it's automatically installing this particular app. So all you need to do is just to be patient. Okay, so now they'll ask you turn on play protect. Remember, this play protect was that one that we turned off in the first time. So we're going to click on decline. We don't want to turn it on. Then let it install. Alright, so if you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Legis Naira. This is where I share vital information how to scale through online in anything they're actually passing through, any difficulties online. Okay, this is where I teach people how to scale through on them. Alright, so let's wait for it. It's not going to take that time, but let's wait for it. All right, so it's done downloading. Okay, it's done installing this particular app. So they're actually going to scan. That's just how everything is. So they're going to scan this app before we can have access to it. Okay, so it's done. They'll click on open. Then once you click on open like this, don't rush and start doing any other thing. Just pay very good attention. The next thing you are actually going to do before this will definitely work out for you. All right, now click on agree. Okay, so once you click on agree, then click on skip. skip all of these things. Okay, skip all of these things. Now we are going to skip this thing here. This ad, we are going to remove this ad. They want us to join the Telegram, but we're not actually going to join the Telegram. So what we're going to do, then we'll come back to it. We'll come back, we'll click on it, then we'll come back to it. We're not going to join the Telegram. Okay, so we'll click back. Okay, we went back and still reopened the app. Okay, then it's asking us to sign in. We're not going to sign in. Click cancel it. Cancel it. We're not going to sign in to have access to this. No, don't send any notification. I don't need it. All right, so now we are good to go. Then now the next thing you need to do, come over to your profile. This one that says me. This one, let me show you guys. Come over to this me below. Okay, then click on that me, then come over to the settings icon at the top right, then click on the setting. Then once you click it, hope you see something here. You see this thing that says business creator mode. Okay, this business creator mode, then click on it, toggle it on. Okay, just turn it on. So it's on now. So we are now good to go. You can now go ahead and start editing. So now let's test. Now come over to your edit. Then let's add one video. Let's see if it's actually pro. Let's add one video. Let me just look for random video and random video add. Okay, let's go with this one. Random video add. Okay, then I'll add this one. Then I'll add this one. So once I add this one, okay, then I'll come over to, okay, let me come over to background, remove background. You know, that remove background is always a pro version. So let me look for remove background, automatic remove. Okay, so he's going to remove this particular background. All right, so it's still loading. So let's see. All right, obviously our background has been removed. Okay, our background has been removed. Then we can now go ahead and restore it back. Okay, then the next thing we actually need to do now, I need to check that isolate voice is always a pro icon. Isolate voice. Let me look for isolate voice. Okay, okay, look at it here, isolate voice. So if I will not say keep voice, see, it's isolating the voice. I will not click on minimize. It's isolating the voice so that it will sound very okay. Then let's check other ones, which is caption. Let's check caption. Caption is also free. Caption from the video is also free. All right, so if you check clearly, some of the templates, let's open the templates. So these are the templates and none of them are locked. Okay, all of them are open and freely you can access them. All of them, no one is locked. Okay, if not for network, everything would have opened ASAP. All right, so this is it. Now you can now click on generate. It actually generates the caption for us. Okay, so once you are done with all of these things, you can now go ahead and do what? And export. So you can even export in any resolution you want. You can export in any resolution you want. Just make sure that your phone can carry it. All right, so let's just wait. Let's just be patient so that you to be done with this caption so that we can export, so that you can actually see. Oh, I hope you can see our isolated voice has been completed. So we're actually going to listen to it a bit, maybe 2 seconds of it, so that you see how it sounds. All right, so we are actually waiting for these caption to be done. They will move over to the next thing. All right, Okay, our caption is done generating. This is our caption. So you cannot go ahead and style it and choose any style you want. Cannot go ahead and choose any style you want. So all of these styles are free, like I showed you guys earlier. All of them are free. No one is locked. You can choose anyone you like. All of them are free. Free. Extremely free. So this is it. So this is our caption. I can go ahead and increase. Okay, now let's play it. All right, so this is it. This is how our caption looks like. Then you can go ahead and export, and you can export in ultra HD. Okay, in any resolution, like I said, you want, you can export your files. All right, so now I'll be exporting. Once I click on exporting, I hope you can see, is automatically exporting our videos. Okay, so it's exporting. No need of me to actually pay or do anything to access it. Okay, so if you got value from these videos, please make sure you like this video, share and comment, and also subscribe so that other can as well benefit from this video. Like I said earlier, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Legit Naira. This is where I share vital information on how to scale through online. Okay, so if you want to be watching some videos like this, so make sure you like and subscribe and follow for more content. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.